Perspectives in child development. We have 5 units: approaches of human development, theories of development, childhood as a period of socialization, adolescence as a period of transition, individual differences. Now we will see important questions in the chapter wise. First chapter review questions. Explain the concept of growth, development and maturation. Explain the principles of growth and development and their educational implications. Write the factors influencing growth and development. Write the difference between growth and development. Write the various stages of human growth and development. Write the dimensions of growth and development. What are the uses of longitudinal and cross-sectional approaches to understand human development? These questions from second unit. Explain the different stages of Piaget cognitive development. Explain the Erikson psychosocial theory of development, write its educational implications. Explain the Kohlberg's moral development and write its educational implications. Write the theory of Frad psychosexual development. Write the Goldstein theory of emotional development. So these are very important chapter. Please grow all the questions. These questions from third unit. What are the characteristics of childhood? Write the physical growth and development during childhood. Write the cognitive development during childhood. Write the social development during childhood. Write the emotional development during childhood. Write the moral development during childhood. Write the language development during childhood. Write the importance of child in different socio-cultural contexts. Write what is socialization. Write the methods and process of socialization. What is conflict resolution? Write the different methods of conflict resolution. Write the different stages of social development. What is social maturity? Write the characteristics of social matured person. These questions from fourth unit. What are the characteristics and needs in adolescence? Write the genesis of problems during adolescence. Explain about adolescent groups gangs. What is adjustment? Write about different types of adjustment. Explain about maladjustment. What are the causes maladjustment? Explain about defense mechanism. What are the advantages of it? Write about different types of leadership. How can you develop leadership qualities among students? These questions from fifth unit. Explain the concept of individual differences. Write the different types of individual differences. Write the areas of individual differences. What are the causes for individual differences? What is intelligence? Write the theories of intelligence. What is intelligent coefficient? Write about different types of intelligence tests. What is aptitude? What is creativity? Explain about creativity process. Write the nature of creativity. Explain about interest. How can you develop the interest in students? Write the concept and nature of personality. Explain about assessment of personality. Write the factors for development of personality. Explain the concept of integrated personality. How can you develop the integrated personality in your students? Write about different types of personality. Explain the detail about life skills education. How can you develop their skills in students? Write the characteristics, causes and education of following. Write the mental retardation. Write the visual impaired. Write the hearing impaired. Write the physically disabled, locomotor handicapped children. Write the gifted and talented. How can you foster creativity in your school children? So these are the questions from 5 units.